today I'd like to talk to you about the DustMaster AS1000. Now this particular unit is called an air scrubber. So the purpose of the unit is you have it in a room like this where you're grinding the floor, and as you're grinding, obviously that particular process produces silica dust. As we know, that can cause silicosis, which is not a very nice disease to get. So the purpose of this unit is to reduce the levels of silica in the air, breathable silica, and therefore reduce the hazard in the room. So without getting into too much technical detail, what I'd like to talk to you today about is filter change. So we often get asked, at what point do I change the filters and how do I change the filters? So on this unit we have a filter indicator here, we have the variable speed knob, and we also have the on-off button and the power in. So this particular unit has 3 stages of filtration. We've got the pre-filter, we have the G4 filter, and then we have the H14 filter. Now the H14 filter is obviously the HEPA one. That is what does the final work at reducing those silica dusts. So when the unit is new, or the filter is new, as you can see here, the filter indicator should read as new around about 250 to 280 pascals. That is a new filter. When the gauge gets up to above 400, the filter is deemed blocked and it needs to be replaced to be able to keep the cycles per minute of airflow in your room up. So that's a very simple gauge on how to check the filters on your AS1000. To replace the filters, it's very simple and easy. On this particular unit we have a pre-filter as mentioned, and then a G4 and then an H14. So let's have a look at that. We'll take this panel off here. So you move these clips to the side. Then you can remove this first panel. Then we have the pre-filter here, which is a cloth. Just removes larger particles and attracts some dust. It's static charged. And then we have the G4 filter, which is easily removed by just moving it out like that. So there's the G4 filter. And then we have the H14 filter, which is the HEPA unit. This filter is extremely fragile, and this is the filter that actually will be blocking the unit and the one that needs to be replaced regularly. So to remove that filter, we have 2 tags either side here, and we slide the filter out, being careful not to damage the filter media. And there you have the H14 filter replacement. So these are available online, and then obviously to fit the filter back in again, you simply place it in the machine, being reminded that it is fragile, and you do need to make sure that it is properly fitted. Slide it in like that, and then we have the G4 filter. This is also directional, so we've got a little arrow there showing the airflow, so fit that back in there. And then we have the pre-filter, and then the back panel again. So once that's all in there, just put these clips in here. So thank you for watching this short instructional video on how to replace the filters on the AS1000.